Do you want to sleep well tonight? My name is Suraya Keating, and in this video, I will be guiding you through a short Yoga Nidra practice to help you get sleep that is deeply restorative. I invite you to either close your eyes or just keep your gaze and awareness on the inside as you take a deep, loving breath in. And open your mouth, let out an exhale with a sigh or a sound. Beautiful. And as you now maintain awareness of your breath, bring your attention to your toes and your feet, your left foot, your right foot. Bring your attention to your left leg, right leg. Let your attention drift to your left hand, right hand. Bring your attention to your heart, front of the heart, back of the heart. Bring your attention to your left eye, your right eye, to your third eye, to the crown of the head. And now imagine that your body is really hot, really warm inside. Now shift and imagine your body is super cold, freezing. Now imagine it's extraordinarily bright. There's light all around. And completely dark. Feel your body super tense. Just imagine. Now imagine your body completely relaxed. Bring your awareness to your heart, your hands, your feet. Take one more loving breath in and exhale with a sound. Beautiful work, everyone. Have a wonderful rest.